Today we will be testing the Constance Brown Composite Index.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Okay, so today's indicator is the Constance Brown Composite Index indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen, and it consists of a few different oscillating lines. We have this main red line here, kind of bouncing around, oscillating through the screen there around these other two. It's a green and orange colored oscillating line. We go in and see if we can't bump up the line weight of these here just a little bit. There we go. Just kind of make everything stand out a little bit more. So we have the green line, the orange line, the red line. And so what we're looking for is first and foremost the position of the green line and the orange line. And so when the green line is below the orange line, we are looking for short trades. When the green line is above the orange line, then we are looking for long trades. And then what we are looking for is when the green line is below the orange line, we are looking for the red line to also cross down below the green line, both lines, and that is going to be our signal to go short, or when we get the cross of everything all together. So for example, right here we can see that the red line is down below both the two lines there, and we get the cross of the green line down below the orange line right here. That would be a short signal. And then on the reverse side, the long side, what we're looking for is when the green line is above the orange line, and we're looking for that red line to also be above both of the two lines, and then we would go long, or we're looking for when that cross of everything happens. So the red line is above the orange and green here, and then we get that cross where the green crosses up over the orange right here on this. That would be a signal to go long. And then while they are in that position, if we get another cross, for example, so right here we get that cross down here, the red line's already in the downward position there. Then we get the cross of the green line down below, and then later on we also get another cross right here. That's going to be another instance where we would go short, or we would go long if it was reversed. So all right, long-winded explanation there. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. We get that red oscillating line is above both the lines here. and then we get that cross where the green crosses up over the orange right here on this one. Unfortunately, it continues to push down. Price action continues to push down pretty heavily there, and it does come down and stop us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we get that kind of continuation, I guess you could call it, where we have the green line is still above the orange and the red line comes down here and then spikes back up above the green line. So it's above both of the two lines there right here. And you see that we get a really nice push to the upside there, which does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we pick up another long right here, kind of same deal, same kind of continuation there, where the green line stays above the orange line, and then we get that cross of the red line up above the green, so it's above both of them. We get a little bit of a correction right there, but then a nice push back to the upside, which does get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year.
Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it.
All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get everything in focus. So good number of trades within the 1 year's time. That definitely has it going for it. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So we have 21 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 winning trades, and so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. Excuse me. Yeah, this indicator was interesting. It had its moments where it was doing really well, and then it had these moments where it just slightly was off. I think it does have its strengths, but it did miss the win rate, and just barely. Yeah, nonetheless, we are going to have to put it on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.